Hello, it's time to talk about your house, and it's time to talk about how it is built. And we're going to put something together that will give you a great big understanding of what this is all about. There's a proverb out there, a proverb 24:3. By wisdom, a house is built, and by understanding, it is established. Well, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to get some wisdom and we're going to get some understanding of it all. To wisely build your home, you need to understand three pillars. I'm going to hold them up in front of you. There's your roof, okay? And then these are your three pillars. The first pillar that you should understand is living and accumulating and saving. Inflation and what interest or yield are you making on your money that you're saving, especially if it's in your 401k plan. And then the second pillar is disability, disabled. Everybody has disability insurance while they're working, but they forget all about it when they retire. And that becomes the one thing that may steal from your house. And the last thing, of course, is death. And on all your beneficiaries at work or IRAs or any other life insurance that you have, you should have that looked at because that money goes by beneficiary designation. So not only may you need a trust or powers of attorney, but you may need to have beneficiaries listed. So the three stages in your life cycle I've just told you about. And I think that becomes really important to you. And it's living, healthy, saving, disability in the middle, and if you are deceased, death. Maybe the easiest to many of us. We may wish it once in a while. But while we're living and healthy, we may have fun, okay? And that's what we should look at. So many people just look at long-term care for the elderly, but this is sadly not true. Disability can strike at any time. So you should think of that middle column. It can happen in a motorcycle accident, or it can happen to both of you in a car accident. And there are several ways that you can really own long-term care for yourself. There's a time to rent and there's a time to sow. And what you need to do is have understanding of those three pillars right now. And I actually put this all together, especially the disability column. The disability column is part of the insurance industry, but you just may not think that's important, but it becomes very important. If you don't have insurance on your house and your house has a fire, how are you going to pay for getting it built again? So you have to read your insurance very carefully. And if you have life insurance, you may be able to do something very wonderful with it. So I'm going to say to you, you're building your house, don't leave out risk management. That's insurance. Understand it. Call us because we're very good at that and we can read your old policies or anything you need in the future. Do not leave it out of your planning. Thank you very much.